If you ever worked with network engineers or system administrators who are responsible for a ton of devices, then you have probably came across a password manager. Simply because remembering each password is impossible for these guys. Usually, they use a password manager to securely store the device credentials. For this demonstration, I will use a very common cross-platform software called KeePass, and we will see how we can hijack passwords from this software. Okay, so let's start by installing the software here. Okay, so first we have to create a new database here. Define master password. So I will go for email and I'm gonna create a new account or a new entry for my Gmail account. And let's create a new entry for PayPal account. Okay, so let's log in and see that we're gonna use the password manager for the login here. So I will go to Gmail login account or login page. So in the case of password manager, all what you have to do is to copy and paste the username and the password to the login page. So I will do here paste. Now keep in mind that in this case the keylogger will not work simply because the passwords are copied into the clipboard and it's just a matter of copy and paste without touching the keyboard here. Okay, so let me log out from my account for now. Okay, in Python, to interact with the clipboard, you need a library called py-per-clip. Now, installing this library is quite simple. We just need to copy and paste the library file into site packages folder. I have experienced some issues if we use the setup file, so I will do it manually. And I will just paste that file, the library file, into site packages here. So the directory is python 27 lib, then site packages. Okay, it should be installed right now. Okay, right now let's have a quick look on the code itself. And we start by importing the libraries here. Let me just grab my pen here. Okay, so we import the libraries. Next, we create a list which will store the clipboard content. After that, we will go into infinite loop to continuously check the clipboard. If the clipboard content is not empty, here empty means none, Then we will take its value and we will store it in a variable called value. To make sure that we don't get replicated items in our list, before appending the value variable into our list, we're gonna check if the value is stored earlier in the first place. If not, then this means that this is a new item and we will store it. At the end, we will print out our lizard, or you can maybe save it to a text file or do whatever you want. Then we will sleep for 3 seconds and check the clipboard status again. Okay, so I will run the script here and let's repeat the whole process one more time. Okay. Now notice what will happen once I copy the username. So once the username copied into the clipboard, immediately our script will get the clipboard value and print it out. So I will do the copy one more time. And the same rule goes for the password. Notice we got the password here. Here it is. And let's try with our stored PayPal account. So once I do a copy, and fair enough, here is the random password which we created earlier. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.